Hello everyone, welcome to the portal of ArthaPoint, which is courses.arthapoint.com learn. And here on this portal, beta, you can go ahead and have a look at various categories of courses, which is IIT JAM, CUET, MA Economics, DEPR, DU semester courses and whatnot. If you click on DU semester courses, you will be able to see the various courses on the portal which are available to you. A lot of these courses are an initiative of ArthaPoint, which means that we are not charging any fees, beta. This is only the portal fees, in which you have introductory mathematical methods for economics, introductory microeconomics, introductory statistics for economics. Then you have intermediate microeconomics, semester 3, intermediate microeconomics, macroeconomics. This is a paid course. Only this is for 5,000. So you can clearly see that in the paid course, if you click, you will also go ahead and get access to various assignments and you will get access to various other concepts also. So you see here, you also have additional lecture, you have notes, you have assignments, everything is part of the paid course. For all the subjects, you can see past year papers being solved. You can see past year papers being solved and important numericals being discussed in the paid course. So this is a paid course, which is for macroeconomics. But if you go ahead and if you look into the other courses of the economic semester, they are available for no fees. This is only the portal fees that we are charging. Similarly, if you go ahead and you look into the 5th semester, game theory is a paid course in which we are solving various problem sets also. But other than game theory, other courses like economic growth and business cycle, like introductory development economics, these are all the initiative, only portal fees is being charged. And if you go ahead and you look into this introductory development economics, you can see that I have gone ahead and I have covered a lot of the course, even though it is an initiative. You can see that unit 1 is completely covered. You can see that unit 2 is covered, and you can see that unit 4 is also completely covered. In unit 3 also, we have covered one chapter. So this is the link to our portal. You can go ahead, you can have a look at the various courses. Similarly, if you go ahead and you have a look at the IIT JAM courses, here you will be able to see the different mock test series for IIT JAM that have been launched. At the same time, you will be able to also see the question bank for CUET, which has been now launched, and you will be able to see the different other courses also, right? These are only few of the courses, beta. We do provide more courses also. These are the courses which you can directly access. But if you want a full-fledged course on IIT JAM or a full-fledged course on MA Economics entrance or a full-fledged course on Indian Economic Service, you can always contact Rohit sir and he will go ahead and he will talk about the different courses that we have. So I just wanted to quickly show you the portal of ArthaPoint, and all of you can go to this portal and you can have a look at different courses. Okay, beta, thank you. Solve the following inequality. Beta, you're given this inequality. हाँ, और आपको इसे solve करना है. अच्छा, one thing that you need to understand before I start solving this inequality, कि यहाँ पे y is coming in the denominator. So which means that definitely whatever I do, y cannot be equal to 0. क्योंकि अगर y 0 होगा, तो then this cannot be solved. So well before I start solving this inequality, I'm pretty sure that y cannot be equal to 0. Okay. Now let's start, beta. So I will get 1 minus y by y. I have taken y here upon 1 plus, I will again take y here, y by y greater than equal to 1. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to get 1 minus y upon y. But जो भी denominator में होता है वो reciprocate हो जाता है. Y upon 1 plus y greater than equal to 1. So I'll get 1 minus y upon 1 plus y greater than equal to 1. Okay. It means that I can now take 1 here, right? So if I go ahead and if I take 1 here, what will I get? 1 minus y upon 1 plus y minus 1 greater than equal to 0. 1 minus y minus, this can go here, 1 plus y upon 1 plus y greater than equal to 0. 1 minus y minus 1 minus y upon 1 plus y greater than equal to 0 minus 2y upon 1 plus y greater than equal to 0. But अब ध्यान से सुनो मेरी बात को. I have a negative sign here. I need that the fraction should be greater than equal to 0. The fraction will be greater than equal to 0. That means it will be positive. अगर न्यूमरेटर पॉजिटिव हो, डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव हो, या अगर न्यूमरेटर नेगेटिव हो, डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव. बेटा अगर न्यूमरेटर को पॉजिटिव होना है, आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ नेगेटिव साइन हियर, सो फॉर न्यूमरेटर टू बी पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे मुझे इसको नेगेटिव करना पड़ेगा. नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव इज पॉजिटिव, सो आई विल गेट that I would need y to be less than 0. Y cannot be equal to 0. That is something I've already claimed here. So I will have y less than 0. And for denominator to be positive, I would need 1 plus y greater than 0. Denominator also cannot be equal to 0. Achha. This will give me y less than 0 and y greater than minus 1. Okay. So what will I go ahead and what will I have? 0 minus 1, y greater than minus 1 and y less than 0. It means y can belong to minus 1 to 0. Right. The other thing that I can have is I can have the numerator negative. So for numerator to be negative, I need y greater than 0 because there is already a negative sign here. And I need denominator to be negative. So I need 1 plus y to be less than 0. So I will get y greater than 0 and y less than minus 1. Minus 1, 0, y greater than 0 and less than minus 1. So there is no common region. So the only answer that I get is that y can belong to minus 1 to 0 for this inequality to be satisfied. अगर मुझे ये satisfy करना है, एक ही चीज हो सकती है कि y minus 1 से लेके 0 के बीच में कहीं पे होगा ताकि ये inequality completely solve हो जाए. Right बेटा? Okay बेटा, thank you.